And the principles are, number one, you got to hire some folks, create your army, all right, a ride or dies. Number two, help the people you hire. And then number three, heal the people, all right? Why? Because y'all, whatever you got, as long as it really addresses the person's real issue, you'll always make a lot of money and you won't work real hard because people do what? They keep coming back for healing. All right, listen to me. And not only that, people do what? They go get everybody they know because they're getting healed. Are you hearing me? And then the most important thing about your business is that your business becomes remarkable. In other words, people start remarking about how you help to heal them. Are you listening to me? And then you don't have to do a whole lot of hard work if you are actually healing people. Are you hear what I'm talking about? All right, so some of y'all have, so you have a 401 ain't okay, but you got one of these URL policies, life insurance policies. So you might make about 6% interest. So that's a 12-year Band-Aid. All right, so everybody put 12B in the chat. All right, that's a 12-year Band-Aid. All right, some of y'all got, these life insurance policies. And he said, Brother Ricky, don't be getting on my life insurance policy, man. That's my infinite banking policy. Boy, you better come to class so I can teach you what infinite banking is because you country as hell. All right, first of all, infinite means forever, and banking means people giving you money. So you definitely don't know what no infinite banking is. Right? We're infinite bankers. Why? Because our stuff lasts forever, and what people bring, and people are giving us money. All right? That's a whole nother lesson I ain't got time to teach you right now. So you definitely sleep on what some infinite banking is.